This is a video about a alternative software from Video Marketing Blaster and or Video Marketing Blaster Pro. What's up guys, Chris Ramirez here, and I just wanted to go ahead and point you in the direction that I'm talking about that is related to outside of YouTube. It's a software that's related to Amazon Fire Stick TV and Roku. That link will be in the description. I will go ahead and hop in my computer to show you what's on the actual sales page. I'll tell you right now, when you pick it up, I do get a kickback, okay, guys, for recommending this alternative to you that I think, in my opinion, is easier to work with, all right? Because not many people are really using Amazon Fire Stick and Roku for their video marketing efforts to create channels and monetize. Similarly, like YouTube, okay? Like the opportunity is wide open. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop into my computer and show you the sales page. All right, show you the sales page of what's going on with the specific product. There will be bonuses if you decide to pick up the product that I'm about to show you when I jump into my computer in a second. I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you the bonuses right off the bat. There are two bonuses, okay? When you pick it up, there'll be a Facebook groups bonus where you can use Facebook to leverage groups to drive traffic. I coined it the group stack method, where you admin groups. When you get them to critical mass members, you get autopilot traffic, okay? Simple as that. The second bonus, should I say, is massive engagement strategy for additional traffic, also using Facebook. Now, I know the two hand in hand is not congruent to your video marketing efforts, but if you're not using social media next to your video marketing efforts, you're really missing out, guys. So I'm about to jump into my computer right quick and show you the sales page of this product I'm telling you about, all right? The guy has a lot of success stories. He's doing it himself, okay? He's doing it himself, all right? That being said, give me a second. I'm going to hop into the computer. Okay, guys, this is the page that will show up once you click that link in the comments, the first link in the comments and or the first link in the description, okay? When you visit this page, this is the sales page I was telling you about. That is an alternative software where you would be leveraging Roku and Amazon Fire TV, okay? The main creator of the site is not the person that's in the sales video, okay? Todd Gross is in a sales video. I actually highly recommend you watch the sales video. The guy is a very high integrity guy. So is the main creator of the actual content of the course. It's a course and software, okay? And pretty much in this course, the person that actually goes through the content with you guys on how to show the software. Here's a picture of him. His name is Craig Crawford. He's the actual creator of the software, whereas Todd Gross is the face of the video sales letter, of the VSL, okay, on the sales page. All right. And you can go ahead and take a look, read through, and see what Craig's about, see the kind of results that he's gotten his students. Let's see, let's go down the page. You can go ahead and do the same thing as well, guys. You can go ahead and do the same thing. Let's see. I know he's got some success stories here. People that have actually implemented with Craig Crawford shows, okay? My channel is working better than I thought. In what way, John? Anti-aging gel. My channel is doing good, and my sign-ups, my offer is doing very well. So that's one of his success stories. His sign-ups to his offer through Roku and Amazon TV, not YouTube. I know you guys are wanting to use the Video Blaster Pro, or excuse me, I'm sorry, Video Marketing Blaster or Video Marketing Blaster Pro to strictly stick to your YouTube guns, okay? Sometimes you got to step even further out your comfort zone, guys, and try other sites that you know for sure has millions and millions of users, all right? So let's see, we have another success story up here. Looks like we passed up. Let's see. It says, let's see, here we go, right here. This success story says, loving TV Boss, been testing it to generate leads for my clients. Best of all, since I started it, has been generating around 500 per month. A big thank you to TV Boss for this product. Regards, Steve. And this one's like, hi everyone, this is for those who are new and are wondering about TV Boss. I have two successful channels, Prayer TV and Emmanuel TV USA, with Roku TV Boss, with over 5,000 subscribers and around 16,000 video views monthly and growing, all without any advertising. I understand that it may be a little overwhelming at first, but just walk through the step-by-step training to set everything up. You will need to. Okay, so it's not just step-by-step training. He has a software to speed the process up, guys. So let's see if we can go down the line. You can read the rest of the little in-betweens. I want to get the success stories he has from his students. Okay, let's see. See, our happy customers have messages. I mean, you can go through the success stories. You got one right here. Let's see. All right, introducing TV Boss Fire, Internet TV for personal profit. Okay, and here's a little rundown. It says this cloud-based software lets you leverage millions of engaged viewers on both Roku and Amazon Fire with zero tech skills, hassle, or outsourcing. Create multiple income streams, including passive profit, recurring payments from advertisers, and increased sales from your own products and services while building targeted lists in any niche. Set up traffic driving channels from right inside the software. Sounds interesting. And get results from other people's content for a sustainable, legitimate business you can be proud of. Okay, so let's go down the line. See, he's got more beta tester success stories. Hello guys, first owned channel deal finished. Price $30K for local radio station. That's nice. This person says just made $5,000 with the amazing TV Boss program. I'm just getting started. And that was Raven. We got, looks like it says L. Yeah, it looks like E-L-L-E, L, I guess. Or Ellie, that's what it is, Ellie. I have made my first $10,000 with TV Boss. He's got more right here. He actually shows some statistics as well. He's got a lot of success stories. You see, here we go. Hungry advertisers hunt you down. Let's see what's going on here. Read TV Boss love from us announcement. Hey Craig, I'm reading this one right here, guys, because what it says right here on this headline, the subheadline. Let's see. Hi Craig, a company called, it's not going to obviously disclose, is asking to place some ads on one of my Roku channels. Oh, okay, so it must be one of his students, I'm guessing. Have you heard of them? What charge do I quote for them? Please advise, or how can I go about working with them? Look forward to hearing from you. Best regards, Justin, or Justice. Sorry. I mean, the list goes on and on, guys. I'm not here to just be like, all right, you know what? Go ahead and just put the whole video marketing blaster idea in your head down. Like, you can go that route still, but if you want to go that route still, maybe be more versatile, okay, and pick up the whole TV Boss Fire package. All right, let me go ahead and scroll right back up to the very top, okay, and we can actually watch a little bit of the actual sales video. I do apologize for it looking choppy on my computer. It's a little aged, so I need to update some of the memory, so it's going to kind of look choppy. All right, but I'm going to go ahead and play some of the sales video, and you can just kind of listen in what Todd Gross has to say.
Hey, it's Todd Gross at home in front of my television set and the whole setup. You may notice there is no cable box here. And that fundamental change has opened up a huge opportunity for you to own your own television station. I know it sounds crazy, but let me explain. As you know, I'm a veteran TV weatherman, reporter, and announcer who helped bring video to the internet. And there's some showers up to the
He came to 7 News from radio, a bundle of knowledgeable energy even back then. For 20 years, Todd Gross has been living his dream. His excitement has been obvious, and he's done it all at 7 News. From a kids show to a guest appearance on the Today Show, he has excelled in New England, one of the trickiest places to forecast. In his first year at 7, it was baptism under fire for the New York native, who found himself in the middle of Hurricane Gloria. 2 years later, the perfect storm was perfectly forecasted, but Todd missed out on one of the biggest surprises to hit, the April Fool's Day storm of 1997. He was stuck in Florida. Todd has also been a teacher of astronomy, the Indian moons, and the environment. Todd says he can't imagine ever doing anything else while staying true to his formula. For 2 decades, Todd has been one of the best in the business, a dependable friend viewers have come to count on.
And now I'm bringing you into the lucrative world of TV. Connected TVs are simply TVs and devices that can connect to the internet and stream content. Now, these are at homes, shops, pubs, anywhere else you can think of all around the world. But Roku and Amazon Fire TV are the world's biggest providers of connected TV right now. And by late 2023, they're expected to hold over 80% of the market. Now imagine for a moment that you could tap into this source of traffic, leads and sales, and authority for your own business while showing ads that companies pay you to host. Well, you can. Look, if anyone knows about the power of television, it's me. I've worked on television for over 40 years now. I began my career in 1980 as a meteorologist, but we knew since the mid-90s in-house that TV was going to fundamentally change. And not only did TV through the airwaves die, but now cable is about to follow, leaving an opportunity for you that is gangbusters. I'm so excited to introduce you to TV Boss Fire, an online application that allows you to create and manage broadcasts to hundreds of millions of people worldwide. You can upload your own videos or films, but you don't even need your own content to have channels on Roku and Amazon Fire TV. In just a few simple steps, setting up TV Boss Fire can be done in under 12 minutes using the easy-to-follow training that's included. We've got users from single working moms to people coming out of retirement to jump in, like Lynn Stone, who was 77 when he became the first of his friends and family to own a TV station. Well, we'll show you in a video on this very page how easy it is to do, but for those of you who already know this change is beyond explosive for businesses, you may want to jump in right now, right this second. Well, here are the steps anyway. First, you prepare your content and assets, which you can even get for free if you don't have your own. And step 2 is to log in and set up the channel with the name, the description, and other simple details, and then upload your videos. Step 3, create or log in your Roku and or Amazon creator account and complete the channel setup in minutes. Easy, right? Do you know what happens when people miss big movements like this? Nothing. That's it. Nothing happens.
So yeah, I mean, I really wanted to get this to you guys. Like I said, I do get a kickback. I do get a kickback from this. It helps the channel, supports the channel. So if you guys are really interested in picking up the TV Boss Fire package from the main creator, like I said, is Craig Crawford. He's the one that put all the content together and got the software developed to speed the process up for you guys. So go ahead, pick it up, dig in, and you'll be delivered those bonuses, okay? Through the actual JV Zoo is what they hosted on. It's an affiliate network called JV Zoo. They host this product on that network, so you would get an email from them to access your purchase, and through that you can actually access your bonuses through a special button within the portal of JV Zoo, the customer portal of JV Zoo. Okay, guys. So I really want to put you on that. Like I said, you could be versatile. You could go ahead and pick up the Video Marketing Blaster or Video Marketing Blaster Pro tool suite software analytics tool, or you can do this one or do both. It's really up to you guys. So if you made it this far of the video, greatly appreciate it. If you like the video, it would help the channel grow tremendously, and to subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon. So that being said, click the link below. You'll enter onto this page. You can give it a thorough read yourself. Watch the entire sales video if you want. I didn't watch the entire sales video with you guys. You can watch the entire sales video if you want. Just get it, read the entire sales page even, If you're a skimmer, that's on you. If you're a full-on action taker, just go ahead and take action. If it's not for you, you can always get a refund. Simple as that. You can always get a refund. And just try it. Try it out. See if it's a good fit for what you're trying to do as far as video marketing goes. And go from there. Okay. That being said, Chris Ramirez saying I'm out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all be blessed.